We will be maintaining the records for supervisors within PowerSchool. Each teacher may have up to 3 supervisors assigned to them. The first is always the principal. The second may be an assistant principal or a district coordinator or director. And the third may also be a district administrator or school-based administrator. I will now show you how to make that change. First, please make sure that the school you're working in is listed in the upper right-hand corner and that the school year is the current school year. If I look in the middle of the screen, I see students, staff, and parents. I'm concerned with staff, so I'll click on staff and click on the word teachers midway through. I will now see a list of all the teachers in my school. At this point, I will select the teacher that I am making the change to. Once I click on the teacher, I click on System Settings, and within System Settings, I see Talent Ed Configuration. It's listed Supervisor, Supervisor 1, and Supervisor 2. Until I've made a change, this is blank. I then select the drop-down list. I can click on the first initial of the administrator's last name to bring myself to that part of the list to make it a little bit more manageable. I find the person that I am assigning to, and when I am done, I click Submit, and the person has now been assigned the additional supervisor. If it's 2 supervisors, I click a third, I click Submit. After I've selected that particular teacher, I go back to the staff. I can click on teachers once again and find the next teacher to assign. If the teacher only has the principal as a supervisor, I don't need to make any change. I'm only doing this if the assistant principal is a second supervisor and or there's a director or a coordinator that is involved in the co-evaluation process. There is a possibility that when you search for teachers using the teachers link that you may not find them. This is because they might be categorized differently in PowerSchool. If that is the case, either search by their last name or click under staff and search that way, or they might be miscategorized in any one of these other categories. If that is the case, and a teacher is miscategorized, please inform the data team for the District Technology Services.